folks, Joe Bodell, technical strategist at MentorMate. You've heard the terms hybrid and native applications. What do those actually mean? Well, a native application is built on and for a particular platform, that's iOS or Android. And an iOS application, a native application, won't work on Android and vice versa. Hybrid applications are built in a single technology and then compiled or deployed to multiple platforms. There are benefits to that. It can save time, it can save money in some cases, but when there's a lot of access to external APIs like the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth or any of the other peripherals that are attached to the supercomputers in our pockets, native applications may actually provide long-term benefits and better ROI. Hope that helps.